Hello everyone, this is Rashmika and welcoming you to Keep Calm and Love Maths. So continuing from previous sessions over linear inequalities and on the exercise. So today's our first question is question number 18 from the exercise of linear inequalities and from the book NCERT textbook. So first question is 5x minus 3 is greater than equal 3x minus 5. So we have to solve the inequalities and show the graph of the solution in each case on the number line. So since we are given a linear inequality, first of all we have to solve this linear inequality and show the graphical representation of this solution in number line. So first of all, to solve this inequality, we apply the rules of linear inequality. So here 5x minus 3 is greater than equal 3x minus 5. Therefore, first of all we subtract 3x on both sides, then we get this. Now 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x minus 3 greater than equal 3x minus 3x cancels out and the remaining is minus 5. Since we need the value of x, therefore again we add 3 on both sides of this inequality. Then 2x is greater than equal minus 2. Here these are cancelling out, and minus 5 plus 3, it will be minus 2. Now 2x by 2 is greater than equal minus 2 by 2. It will be x greater than equal minus 1. Now this is the solution for this given inequality, 5x minus 3 greater than equal 3x minus 5, and the solution is x greater than equal minus 1. So since we are not given any conditions for the solution of these inequalities, therefore the solution will be, the solution is, if we are not given any conditions for the solutions, then we make the solution in interval form. Then x belongs to, since this is not strictly greater than but greater than equal, therefore minus 1, minus 1 and to plus infinity. Since x is greater than equal minus 1, that means the values are either minus 1 or greater than minus 1. Therefore, including minus 1 up to plus infinity. X belongs to close up in interval minus 1 to infinity will be the solution for this inequality. Now, graphical representation for the solution on number line, it will be since on the number line we have 0 positive terms and negative terms, but for this solution including minus 1 and the greater values. So here the minus 1 is this, so I am determining this point, and since solution includes minus 1 as well as greater values than minus 1, therefore the solution is on the right hand side from minus 1, including minus 1 and the greater values than minus 1. So this is the solution. This is the solution. Right? So graphical representation for this solution, it will be on the number line as this. So today's our second question is question number 19 from the exercise 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. In a similar way, we have to solve this linear inequality and show the solution on number line. So first of all, we multiply the 3 inside this bracket, then it will become 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. Then we subtract minus 2x on both sides. So this is now 3 minus 5x is less than 0 plus 8 or 8. Again, we subtract 3 on both sides, then it will become 8 minus 3, and here on the left hand side minus 5x less than 5. Yes, now we will apply the rule 3. We will divide by negative 5 on both sides of this inequality. Then it will become minus 5x by minus 5x, 5 by minus 5. Since the quantity minus 5 is negative, since this is negative, therefore the sign of this inequality gets reversed, so less than becomes greater than. Now minus 5 and minus 5 cancels out, so x greater than minus 1, right? So the solution of this inequality will be x greater than minus 1, or x belongs to, this will be open in bracket since this is strictly greater than minus 1 to infinity, since the values are greater than minus 1. So on the number line, zero, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Since the values of x is greater than minus 1, therefore the solution will be greater than this point. So on the right hand side, the solution will be this. But not including minus 1, since the sign is strictly greater than, therefore minus 1 is not included in the solution reason, but the greater values than minus 1. So the solution reason is this, x greater than minus 1. So this is the graphical representation of this solution for the problem 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4 on this number line, right? So this is also done. So today's session is about only these two questions, question number 18 and 19 from the exercise of linear inequality, and the other questions will be discussed in the next session. So till then, keep watching these videos and thank you.